I am now standing at the Eco-Urban Village. Eco-Urban Village was developed after the Eco Park was already developed 3 or 4 years ago, and it was built to counterbalance the huge crowds that were going to the Eco Park, and also we found there was an increasing demand for going to a quiet place, of going for a picnic on a group, and for going to see birds and enjoy nature more quietly. Eco Park, being on the main road, is certainly extremely popular, but so many people go there. Sometimes people complain of not having solitude. So that is why 5 minutes ride from that place, connected to an electrical bus which commutes regularly afternoons every hour. There is this eco-urban village. It's set beautifully in nature. There's a water body where there are a lot of fishing zones. You can fish with, if you give a small fee. You can do boat paddling and you can do bird watching. We have cited 25 different types of birds, and it has been listed also in this place. There are huge sculptures where I'm standing in. This is the Dalan, where traditionally in the village areas of Birbhum, Bankura and Purulia, one can do kind of jatras, one can do musical performances, bowls, and people can sit all around and enjoy. This is the place traditionally we hold all kinds of cultural functions in Eco-Urban Village. Picnic is going right now behind me, and this is always filled. It's a very popular site for office picnics, community picnics, club picnics, and this year, for instance, I can say from all weekends and holidays, from November till February, were booked months in advance. So if you want to come here, be sure to book early. Prices are extremely affordable, and there are 5-day cottages, ethnic cottages, where there is quite a nice inside infrastructure. Looks like a village booty, but has all the amenities, and it is set in a bit of green. There is, of course, slightly distant venues, toilet, water, but we don't allow guests to stay overnight. This is not allowed after dark. So during the day, however, people sometimes need a bit of rest for changing, for giving their weary legs a bit of a rest. And these cottages are also very affordable and quite popular. There are 2 sculptures built by eminent sculpturer Rupchand Kundu. It is on the side of on the lines of the Kalo Badi in Shantiniketan, and these are also useful ways of kind of interlinking with Tagore culture, nature, and everywhere. So I would say, please come, visit, and enjoy the nature in its pure form in Eco-Urban Village.